We're sitting there shooting the shit, and all of a sudden, there's one. Where? Right there.
First
Oh,
deer.
Jesus, nice fucking deer.
First one.
I've seen 3 nice bucks. That's since I've been here. While hunting. All 3 are dead. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Pretty deer.
Yeah. Thinking about it. Hey.
Oh, he is.
Oh, I see. You see a hole?
Yeah, I see one.
That's not a big. That's not a big one. 4.06.
I don't even see him. He's right there on the left side, Jay. See the big snow, the big bank in the snow? Yeah, you got him. You got him.
Oh.
You got him.
I don't think so.
I think you shot, unless he shot. Again, shoot him. Got him.
Got him.
Nice deer, John. Don't fall on camera.
7-pointer. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. Have 2 and 2 sides and 4.
Yeah, I aimed the back of the head. I'm just going there.
Yeah. Better than a big doe.
Yeah.
But maybe for the meat, that's.
The doe's
The
better.
doe's
Yeah,
better.
yeah, of course.
Give me my gun.
Good.
There you go, Sean.
John, pretend you're asleep. This is right.
Oh my God, he's coming over. That's awesome. I suppose what's the difference between here and the. Want me to get your gun, John?
You want to roll?
Look at that. I got John feeding the deer. I got a fox in the background. And a beautiful sunset in the background here, too. Look at this. Look at this picture, Jay.
Yeah.
Look at Fox's Dear John. Dear John. That's a letter.
I wonder if they eat venison.
Yeah, give him some spicy venison.
Hey, should we try to give him some venison jerky?
Yeah, right. Don't you know the difference?
Two deer out on the porch.
That thing is cute.
Here comes Doug, pulling a china shop.
Why is my picture all blue?
Oh, look at this. He's going right in the
All
house.
blue. Hey, buddy. You hungry? Come on.
Yeah, they just cut out a doily there and sprinkle around it.
They do. That's bigger than your deer. Mine's pomaded.
Told you he's an asshole.
Prenez maintenant la carte de sécurité qui se trouve dans la pochette qui est devant vous.